How to clear mental clutter with meditation. Meditation can help us to clear our minds and minimize the clutter it contains. It can be done in a variety of ways and at various lengths and intensities. There are many reasons to practice meditation. However, one major reason is that it helps us to clear our minds out from the clutter that may have been piling up over the time. Meditation can be a powerful tool in reducing stress levels by relieving anxiety, depression, and other common mental health problems. Meditation has been shown to improve focus, decrease distractibility, and improve cognitive function in general. So, what is meditation? Meditation is a common concept that pertains to the whole mind, body, and spirit. It is derived from the ancient techniques of Buddhist meditation. This practice is different from the organized styles of meditation that many people are familiar with. Classically, meditation has been described as a relaxing or calming practice and a means to reduce stress and make the mind and body more receptive to the thought and emotion. It also means to enhance a person's spiritual experience. Through meditation, one may use focused attention to induce the flow of mental, sensory, and emotional energy, and is often accompanied by sensory absorption. Many people will say that they practice meditation in order to be able to quiet the mind so that they can think clearly or focus on something. How to clear mental clutter? To clear mental clutter, it is best to do it gradually. We may not have a lot of time or money to devote to our practice, but we can definitely afford a couple of short meditation sessions a day for a few days. If the clutter has been accumulating for a long time, it is best to start small and get used to it. Here are many ways to use the technique of meditation to clear your mind. Visualize a clutter-free mind. It is important to have a healthy and positive mental environment. This can be achieved through visualizing a clutter-free mind. You can place something like a pen or a piece of paper in front of you and visualize the pen or paper cluttering up your mind and causing the stress. This is not a good idea. When to meditate? You can meditate at any time of the day, but you should begin your day with some meditation first. The length of time you meditate depends on your physical, psychological, and spiritual needs. There is no one size fits all for meditation routine. You should listen to your body. Generally, you should sit for 20 to 30 minutes daily at any time for the day. You can also add a minute or two at the end of practice. If you have difficulty staying focused, aim for just 10 to 15 minutes at most. To start, just start by meditating for 1 minute or so. If you start to notice you are too busy with other things, you can extend your meditation practice by another minute or two. However, try to stay focused throughout. Tips for beginners. Here are some tips for beginning to learn the basics of meditation and finding a way to incorporate meditation into your daily schedule. Find a quiet space in your home or apartment. Get comfortable and lie down on your back. Take a few deep breaths and focus on your breathing. Before you know it, you'll find that you're automatically becoming more aware and your awareness of the present moment will continue to increase. Find a type of meditation that suits you best. There are a number of different meditation practices out there. If you want to feel more focused and relaxed, Zazen is the meditation that is perfect for you. Conclusion. Of all the benefits of meditation, perhaps the most powerful is the way it eliminates the clutter that may have been accumulating in the subconscious of our minds. This helps us to become more conscious of what we are thinking and how it impacts us. Achieving a state of meditation requires the activation of the mind through several different methods. Trying to meditate while under the influence of alcohol, high levels of stress, or with poor sleep habits can hinder the process. However, if you are patient and dedicated to becoming more mindful, you should be able to develop a clear and steady meditation routine. Thank you guys for watching this video and do subscribe to our channel for more such content. Check out these other videos on our channel. As always, thank you for your positive energies at Brahma's Life Science.